A very warm good morning, my lovely kids. Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying online classes, and hope you're taking proper precautions of COVID 19. Dear students, as you know that we are doing English grammar, yes, and in English grammar, chapter 7 is going on, that is nouns, which is number. Means in this chapter, we are learning about singular and plural forms of nouns. So today, we are going to complete it. And for today's session, we have two questions, which are question 6 and question 7 to do. So without wasting time, let's start today's work. As you know that in previous class we learnt about many of singular and plural nouns. Now today we are going to discuss about the topic where the plural and singular of a noun remains same. So here we are with some words like some nouns have the singular and plural forms alike. Alike means same. Like deer, deer, sheep, sheep, series, series, fish, fish, hair, hair, furniture, furniture. Some more you can see. As you can see in this picture, fish, if there is one, same fish. If there are many, again fish. If one sheep, so sheep. Many, still sheep. Deer, and same for the aircraft. We never say aircrafts. The singular and plural form of aircraft is always aircraft. Now, very important about fish that you can see, an important information, that is, if we want to talk about different varieties of fish, their plural can be fishes. Means, as I told you, the plural for fish remains same, but for the same kind of variety. When if you have different kind of variety and many of fish, then we can say fishes. For example, you can see, or maybe you will be able to understand what I'm saying. As you can see in this picture, on the top there is one fish which is in orange in color. Then downwards two same kind of fish are there, means of same variety. So its plural is fish. But at the bottom you can see there are two fish or fishes but of different variety. As you can see, one is orange, another is green and blue type of. So means these are of different variety. So the plural for such group or such type of fishes is fishes. So same variety, it remains same, but with different varieties it becomes fishes. So that is very important, which we learned today. Now let's move to question 6, and question 6 says error finding. So what is error finding? You have to find error in given sentence and then rectify it and write in front of that. So let's start with number 1. His steps daughter are nice. Now what is incorrect or error in this? That is steps daughter. And what will be its correct form? It is stepdaughters. Now number 2, I am combing my hairs. So what is error? Hairs. Because plural of hair remains same. So correct is hair. Number 3, mathematics are a difficult subject. Students, as you know that mathematics, physics, these are such subjects which have S at the end, but it doesn't mean that these are taken as plural. So mathematics is singular, so the verb which is incorrect or you can say error in this sentence is are. Its correct form is. Now number 4, his foot got injured in an accident. As we know that plural of foot is feet, not foots. So error is foots and its correct form is feet. Number 5, my trousers is tight. Now trousers are plural. So what is wrong here or incorrect, that is. So correct form is are. Number 6, the thieves were stealing money. So plural of thief is thieves, and what is spelling? Spelling is THIEVES. So error is thieves and correct form is this. Now number 7, sheep are grazing in the field. As I told you today when I started the topic, that there are some nouns which singular and plural forms are same. So sheep is one of them. So sheeps is wrong and its correct form is sheep only. Then number 8, there are 3 mouses in the mouse trap. Now in previous class we learnt about such words where we learnt plural of mouse is mice. So mouses is incorrect and its correct form is mice. So babies, with that we are done with question 6. Now without wasting time, let's move to next question, that is question 7. And question 7 says, fill in the blanks with suitable number of the given words. It means words are given in brackets, we have to use suitable number, either it's singular form or it's plural form, and we have to fill or complete the sentence. So let's start with number 1, the dash are flying. So as are is plural verb, so we must write here plural of goose, and that is geese. Number 2, the dash dash laid a golden egg. Laid a golden egg. Laid a single egg means singular, so here should be singular form, that is itself goose. Number 3, write an. An represents singular thing, singular noun. So here should be essay only, ESSAY, it's singular form. Number 4, the teacher is checking the dash dash written by students. Now students are many, it means plural, so here must be plural form of essay, that is essays. Now number 5, these dash dash are famous for quality education. These represents plural form, so here must be universities. Number 6, all the dash dash worn by students are decorated in the reception. Now all represents plural form, so all the trophies worn by the students are decorated in the reception. Now number 7, Ayush won a. Again a represents singular thing, singular noun, so here should be only trophy. So Ayush won a trophy in a painting competition. Now number 8, Sarthak and Nirav are participating in many represents plural, so many quizzes, and spelling of quizzes is QUIZZES. So with that we are done with chapter 7 of English grammar. Hope you understood it very well. If you have any doubt in this chapter, you may ask your subject teacher. You can call, or you can call me as well. If you have doubt about any topic, anything, just feel free to call me. That's all for today. Now see you tomorrow with another chapter of English grammar. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Bye-bye.